Welcome everyone to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome to your 4 Element Yoga series. This series was shot in beautiful Oahu, Hawaii, and it is designed to move you through a grounding earth, a flowing water, a fire power, and a fluid moving air yoga flow. Join me and others around the world to balance and ignite these 4 elements within you. So, if that sounds like you, then grab your mat, grab a friend, and let's create balance in your life. Let's begin. Welcome everyone to your fire element yoga flow. The fire element is associated with passion, with energy and transformation. We feel it in the body when we're low on energy, we're feeling lazy or lethargic, or when we burn out easily. We can also be quick to judge others. The fire element is associated with the solar plexus chakra, and our affirmation for this flow is I honor the power within me. Let's begin our flow. We'll start with breath of fire. So you can bring your hands to your belly. The inhale is passive as you breathe in through your nose, and the exhale is sharp as you draw your navel to your spine. Inhale, exhale. Keep breathing. Firing up our core, bringing some heat to our body. If breath of fire doesn't work for you, you can always take some ratio breathing. And then we'll begin by coming all the way to our back. So feet are hip bone distance apart, feet flat on the mat, knees towards the sky. And then inhale, lift the hips up. As you exhale, lower them back down. Inhale, lift the hips. Exhale, back to the mat. Bridge pose. Inhale. Exhale. Root down through your forearms as you inhale. Sitting bones reach towards the backs of the knees. And exhale. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, float them back down. Inhale, hips and arms up and over. Exhale, hips and arms flow down. Inhale. Exhale. Move with your breath. And from here, we'll adjust, interlace your fingertips, bring them behind the head. Pick up the knees, knees over hips. Inhale, bring the neck and the head up. And as we exhale, we move through our yogi bicycles. Draw the elbow towards the knee, opposite leg goes nice and extended. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Move back and forth through your yogi bicycles. And building a strong core, a strong body. And coming back to our affirmation or our mantra of I honor the power within me. Keep going. Inhale, draw the knees in towards your chest. Exhale, release everything. Cross one ankle over the other and roll up through, coming into tabletop pose. In table, wrists underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. Take the right foot towards the sky and create knee circles here. Moving one way. Nice strong core. And then taking it the other way. And then we'll switch to the other side. And try not to collapse to one side of the body here. Press away from the yoga mat with your hands and press into the top of the foot that's down on the mat. Move one way and then the other. And releasing that. Walk the hands out slightly, curl the toes underneath, and send it up to downward facing dog. Pedal it out. Find some movement here. And then find stillness. Inhale, look forward, bend the knees, and make your way to the top of the mat. Inhale, roll up, come into your mountain pose. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hinge, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Step one toe back and then the other. Inhale, exhale all the way to your belly. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, release. Curl the toes underneath. Press up, plank. Downward facing dog. Breathe here. Inhale, look forward, bend the knees. Exhale, make your way to the top. Roll on up to your mountain pose. And then reaching up for the sky. Exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, straight spine. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Step one foot back. Step the other. Plank pose. Inhale. And exhale all the way to your mat. Inhale, strong cobra. Exhale, release. Curl the toes under and press up. Plank pose. And to downward facing dog. Pedal it out. Inhale, look forward, bend the knees. Exhale, make your way to the top. And rolling on up. Mountain. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands, step back to plank, and then coming all the way to our bellies. Tuck the elbows in towards each other and roll up. Cobra. Exhale, release. Press up to your plank, and then sending it up to downward facing dog. Draw the heels towards the mat. They don't have to reach. Look forward, bend the knees, hop, skip, or jump to the front. And inhale, roll up. Come to stand. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift, your version. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Step back. Plank. Inhale. Exhale all the way halfway and then come to your upward dog. Set it up, downward facing dog. Find movement or stillness, yogi's choice. Look forward, bend the knees, make your way to the top. Inhale, roll on up. Exhale here. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Step back. Inhale here. Exhale, halfway chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Press into the hands. Hips up high. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, hop to the top. Roll up through the spine, mountain pose. And from here, inhale, send the hands behind you, sink the hips back, chair pose. Breathe here. Inhale, lift up. As you exhale, draw your right elbow towards the outside of the left knee, prayer twist. And kick the right toes behind you. Coming into a lunge, you can open up here or find your prayer hands pushing the wrists into each other. Inhale to your high lunge. And as you exhale, we'll kick up, coming into warrior three. Find your stability here. Heel reaches back, hands reach forward, strong core. Inhale, and then exhale, plant the hands, draw the foot in. Come to a forward fold and roll up, mountain pose. You've got this. Come to Utkatasana, chair pose. Inhale here. And on your exhale, you'll take your hands over to the right side. And we will pick up the left leg, bring it behind us for a lunge, twisted lunge. You can open up here, or you can find your prayer hands. Inhale, high lunge. And on an exhale, we'll kick up off and come to Virabhadrasana 3. Whoa, strong and steady there. You can do this. Reach the arms out. And release the hands. Draw the foot back in. Forward fold. Inhale, roll on up. Mountain. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Crown reaches forward. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Jump back, plank. And move through vinyasa. Exhale, downward facing dog. Anchor the left heel down. Anchor the right. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, draw the knee into center. Inhale, send it up. Exhale to right elbow. Inhale, send it up. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale, send it up. And exhale, draw it down. Downward dog. Moving to the other side. Draw it into center. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale to left elbow. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, right elbow. Inhale, send it up. Exhale, draw it down. Feel the power within you. And drop knees to the mat. Swing your legs to one side and prepare for boat pose. Sit on your sits bone here. And you can use your hands interlace behind your knees and take boat kicks here. Kicking one foot down and then the other. Take your hands out and move your hands from side to side, creating a twisted boat. You can do this. You have the power. Breathe. Straight legs here if you can do it. And then roll all the way to your back, where we'll find our knees into our chest for a supine twist. Draw right knee in and exhale, send it to the left side. Inhale, exhale, draw it in. Inhale, both knees into chest. And exhale, send the right leg out. Draw the left knee in and send it over to the right side. Inhale, exhale, back to center, both knees into chest. You can rock back and forth here. Or we'll draw our nose towards our knee for a final little core hug here. You can do it, squeeze, 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 and release everything. Whew, you did it. Come to your Shavasana. Pause here. Take as much time as you need to rest and recover. You can always move through this flow again if that feels called to you. And staying where you are this time, but bringing hands together, thumbs between the brows. And we bow to that divine spark within all of us. From my heart to yours, Namaste. Subscribe to the channel today and let's connect on social media. Find the links below. Until next week.